TSCC is committed to the safety and well-being of all employees. As faculty and staff return to campus, there are important guidelines we're following to ensure the safety of our entire TSCC family. Following recommendations from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, as well as guidelines from the Texas Department of State Health Services and the Texas Governor's Office, TSCC is resuming on-campus operations in phases. Summer classes at TSCC started with many courses being taught online or in a part online, part in the classroom lab hybrid format to meet the needs of students across the state. Remote teams of staff and faculty continue to provide services throughout the state, with specific dates for return to campus work for each area to be announced by leadership at a later time. To ensure our transition back to campus aligns with our safety guidelines, we have some basic expectations in place to help you protect yourself and others. Remember to wash your hands often and to do so thoroughly for at least 20 seconds using soap and water. Follow up with a hand sanitizer if possible. Practice routine cleaning or disinfecting of any surfaces in your work area that you touch frequently. This includes your phone, desk, light switch, keyboards, countertops, doorknobs, etc. Use a face covering whenever you are on campus. The cloth will act as a barrier to help prevent the spread of the virus. Social distancing helps us limit face-to-face contact with others and is pretty easy for all of us to follow. Stay at least 6 feet, about 2 arms length, from other people, and avoid any gatherings of 10 or more people. Many buildings now have doors which are specifically marked as entrance or exit only doors. You may also see directional signs displayed throughout campus. Please pay attention to signage and follow accordingly. As a precaution, take a moment to practice self-screening. If you are pending COVID-19 testing results, you feel ill, are showing any symptoms related to COVID-19, or you live with someone who was diagnosed with the virus, please stay home. Communicate with your supervisor to ensure coverage in your area, but avoid coming to campus if you are sick, where the virus might be more easily spread to others. Not all employees are returning to campus at the same time. Before returning to campus, ensure that you have communicated with your supervisor and that your physical presence on campus is needed. Follow your supervisor's guidelines for a safe return to campus work if an alternative workspace arrangement or office setup is needed. In your communication with your supervisor, prior to your anticipated return to campus date, share any concerns or limitations you may have regarding your return to campus work. If you took any equipment, tools, or supplies home in order to more effectively work remotely, please ensure that these items are returned to your campus workspace. Wipe these items down with disinfectant wipes or other appropriate cleaning products before reinstalling them in your workspace. While the way classes are delivered may have changed, and the physical space between us may have increased, our commitment to serving our students and each other with excellence, accountability, service, and integrity remains the same. This is a lot of information, and you probably still have some questions, and that's to be expected. We've assembled a list of resources on and off campus to ensure that you always have the information you need to keep yourself and your loved ones safe and informed. And remember, when you do return to campus, if you are feeling ill, please go home. Additionally, please submit a report on the portal by using the Self-Report a COVID-19 Exposure option. Your safety and our safety is our priority. Welcome back, and thanks for all you do to make TSCC a greater and safer place to work.